Salut, say Nishi. Hello, this is Nishi. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn French vowels, their pronunciation and with some examples. This is tutorial number 9 of the series that I am making on basic French lessons. If you didn't subscribe yet, please consider subscribing my channel. In French, we have 6 vowels. Let's see how to pronounce them. First one is A. A. E. E. I. I. O. O. U. U. Y. Y. Here, Y is the name of the vowel, not the pronunciation. In a word, we pronounce this letter like E. E. To E sound, E and E. A, E, I, O, U, I. Let's see some examples for each of the vowel. A. Ami. Ami. Ami means friend. Alors. Alors. Madame. Madame. Acteur. Acteur. Table. Table. Petit. Petit. I. Idée. Idée. Ici. Ici. Facile. Facile. Oh. Oui. Oui. Non. Non. Bon. Bon. U. Ce. Ce. Je. Je. Lunette. Y. I. Stylo. Stylo. Here pronouncing it like E, right? Stylo. Need to know that when we will spell this word stylo, we have to say the name of the letters like S, T, Y, L, O, not E, because name of the vowel is Y. Some other examples are Ilya, Ilya, Yaourt, Yaourt. Okay, let's revise the pronunciation of these vowels and this time please repeat after me. A. E. I. O. U. I. I. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, comment below. A bientôt, au revoir, bye bye.